Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. We're taking a quick look here again at Solana. Very brief update. We're just going to talk quickly about how the price action bounced perfectly off this support level there at 71.80, roughly $72 mark, and how it's performing since. This morning, when we looked at it, it was coming down to that level, has since bounced, but now it's retracing again. You got to keep in mind, Bitcoin's still having a bit of a struggle here, and as long as that continues, we're going to see a similar scenario for Solana. You do see the correlation between the two, yes? Right, just making sure. All right, folks, let's go ahead and take a look at the backend data here. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love teaching people to trade. Hope you can learn something here today. We're going to take a quick peek at our liquidation levels and see what's going on. Obviously, if you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. I don't know if you caught my near protocol or my VeChain analysis from earlier today, but we took some nice profits on those trades. This is my day trading bot, which we scalped Solana this morning and Ethereum. Same thing with Matic. And then, of course, VeChain 20% in 4 hours, near protocol 24, and storage, that's an older short from yesterday at 26%. So awesome profits there, folks. Glad it's working out well for you. Thank you so much for the amazing feedback. Deeply appreciate hearing that. So let's look at the liquidation data, work our way down. Heavy concentration at $77, upwards of 78. So 77 and 78, a lot of shorts right there. That's still, I'm still speculating we're going to see a sweep of that level, but that doesn't necessarily mean the price is going to go to that level because it's there. It just means that there's a slightly larger probability that price action will go to that level first. Okay. Again, when you have heavier concentrations of liquidation, the whales, they like sniff it out and they just totally know that they want to wreck some faces, so they'll push it to that level. So just be mindful if you're at $77 and you're in profit on a short, consider maybe lowering your stop loss or adjusting it down effectively to ensure that you take profit in case the price does pull back. It's not a guarantee it's going to happen, just slightly larger probability at this point. We're closer to the one-day candlestick close. Not much has changed here, honestly, since this morning. We're still maintaining at about 60 on the RSI and money flow. MACD still diverging and stochastic RSI as well. So those are all bearish signs for the most part, minus 50 to 70 on the RSI, and of course being above the simple moving average 20. So again, there's positive contributing factors, negative contributing factors. I don't like to trade those conditions. I like a little bit more, in either direction to feel comfortable taking a trade. So just some friendly advice. When you feel that way too and you're like indecisive, should I trade, shouldn't? You should not trade, okay? If you're ever unsure, don't do it. It's just the way it goes, okay? That said, price action right now is looking bearish. We're starting to swing down bearishly for our MACD divergence. Stochastic is swinging down after a little bit of an uptrend. And of course, money flow index and RSI right there at 50, not a great place. We don't like to see the price action in that range. It needs to be above 60 or below 40 effectively to understand that the price action may bounce off of 30 or 70. That said, let's take a quick peek here at the hourly, look for confirmation and see what's going on. This is where things get a little interesting because this is, I wouldn't say conflicting because we're above the cloud. That's a positive contributing factor. But everything else, lagging spans, free and clear of the price action, conversion lines below baseline, that's like 2 out of 3 reasons not to take a trade, and more so 2 out of 3 reasons to consider a short. And we're not through the cloud yet, but if we lose this support level, coincidentally, look at the cloud. It's consolidating right there at that $72 mark. I'm rounding up a little bit. We close below the cloud, just say we do one of these. That's a consideration for a short, okay? I know what you're thinking too. Why take a short that level when I could take it right now? Truth is, we don't know if it's going to come down to that range. We could very well see a bounce and it never looks back, okay? That's why you wait for confirmation. Again, it's never an exact science, not always 100%, but you just increase the odds of success by doing so. Speaking of success, take a look at our Twitter account, or this is also over in our Discord as well if you want to kind of see the results month to date so far. Definitely looking very strong. If you want a better exchange in your life with no KYC or no VPN requirement, Bitunix, link down below. Use that link to register before year end, and you get some significant benefit rewards there. So thank you, Bitunix, for an awesome opportunity for my members. That's about all we got here, folks. There's not really much to it here. We're looking more short biased than long biased, but again, we're establishing lower lows, lower highs. A lot of conflicting information, not a condition to take a trade until we get full confirmation, which is still a few hours away. I hope that serves you well. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to like the video and comment below. Love to hear your feedback. Have a great rest of the day. See you next one. Take care.